Hello everyone, in continuation to our SolidWorks sketch tool series, I will solve this exercise. This is drawing number 2. I will start from the middle one. These are the three circles. Outer dia is 80 mm. If you will see, outer dia is 80 mm. This one is 62 mm dia. This is 46 mm dia. And this is the circular pattern of these circles are of dia 10 mm. 6 number of patterns. Okay, I will start from the middle portion. Okay, now file, new, part. Okay, this interface comes. Select background plain white and unit system millimeter gram. You can take any other system as per your requirement. Select this top plane, left hand side, feature tree manager, sketch, normal. Now I draw the three circle. Always start from the origin point. In order to make the fully defined sketch, you start always from this origin point. You please see my all the sketch videos. I have explained all the commands of the sketch tools. Then you will be easy to understand all these exercise. Okay, I am drawing three circles here. 1, 2, and 3. This one, outer one, out. This circle is outer dia is 80 mm. First 80 mm dia. This is 62 mm dia. 62 mm dia. And this dia is 46 mm dia. This circle dia, I have drawn three circles. Okay, middle portion selected construction. I am making construction. On this circle, I will make the circular pattern of 10 mm circle. Now sketch is fully defined. Draw a circle on this quadrant. You will see in the yellow color, these are the snap points. This shows the quadrant. And right click, out. This 10 mm, this one. Make the pattern, circular pattern, this one. Circular sketch pattern. Select the center point around which you have to draw, make the circular pattern. Select this point, then this point comes, 360-degree angle, around the 360-degree equal spacing, number of pattern 5, 6, and entities to pattern, this one, 6 pattern. Now you see the sketch becomes underdefined. So what? Select this point. Sometimes the center of these circles, you will see this outer is the black color and this is only black color. These 5 circles are in the blue color. So how I can make the fully defined? Select this center point, shift key, and this circle, coincidence. Right button, select another, this circle, shift key, this circle, coincident. Now the sketch becomes fully defined. Sometimes the center of these circles, after making the circular pattern, it shifts. So in this way you can make the fully defined. Now center point, center line, this one, dry center. When you see the blue box, highlighted horizontal line, click, right click, out. Again center line, this. When you see yellow box vertical line, click, right click, out. Okay, draw the 2 circles here. 2 circles. If you see the drawing, when you see the intersection symbol of the quick snap, click this one and this one, right click, out. Again click this circle, make relation concentric. Okay, now dimension, this 30 mm as per drawing, this one, and this circle 16 mm. Okay, this one. Arrange properly, arrange these dimensions. Also here, properly arrange the dimension so it looks good. Now this one. Now the distance from here, this point to this point, this is 46 mm. Okay, now this is 46 mm. Now if you see carefully the drawing, trim entities, trim to closest, just click this, 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 this. Okay, now click this one, click this one, now click this one, don't also click this one. The sketch becomes fully defined. Sketch is fully defined. Okay, in this way. Now you will feel, if you see the drawing, window, go in window, this one, this is 8 mm radius fillet, this one. I will draw this one, window, sketch part. How? Take the fillet, this one, select this circle, and take the dimension 8 mm. Okay, also this circle and this circle, and hit right button, cancel it. Now this is sketch is fully defined, still fully defined. Now if you see the drawing, there the this one, this you will see 36 mm dia, this one outer one, and this is 22 mm dia. This is further 8 mm fillet here, and this circle dia is 200 mm. If you note this thing, this is 200 dia. I will make the full circle, and then you can also make the center arc also on this, from this line. But I make the circle here and 200 mm dia. These circles are 36 and 22 mm, 8 mm filleted. Okay, now first draw a center line. Center line is very useful in allocation of the, in order to allocate the dimension properly. Okay, drag this point, out. One more center line take. When you see in the yellow box horizontal line, click, right click this one. Make sure this line should be vertical. You will see in green. These are the relation. In the green boxes, the lines shows the relations. In the yellow boxes shows the quick next points. I have explained all things now. Now arrange properly here. This one. Circle, make two circle here. This one. When you see the yellow box, the intersection point, when you show in the line, this show the middle point, this one. And you when you click, bring your cursor on the intersection, you will see the yellow box intersection symbol. Click one, another, this, another. Right click, out. Circle, make relation concentric relation. Okay, now smart dimension. This is 36 mm. This 22 mm. Okay, this is 22 mm. Now hit right button. Okay, sketch is underdefined. Now you draw one circle here, this one. Right click, out, select this circle, shift this one, tangent relation. Hit right button. Select this circle and shift this circle. Make relation tangent relation. Okay, this one. And this is 16 mm dia. This is 16 mm dia because 8 mm will be the fillet. This one. Okay, now make a circle from this line. When you see the intersection symbol in yellow box, click on this line and make a circle. When you see the tangent relation, click there. Right click, select. Okay, this is circle. This is tangent. Okay, first you will trim. You will see this trim, and this trim, this trim, and this trim, and this trim, and this trim. Okay, in this way you can make the trim. Now mirror entities, this circle, this circle, this tangent, this line, around this line. This one. If you see the drawing, okay, I have not given the dimension of this one. Okay, now this one, and smart dimension, give the dimension for it. This is 200 dimension. Now this one. Now if you see the drawing window, this one, you will see this one. This I have removed, this I have removed. Okay, now go in the drawing, sketch part, and this one. Now this portion I will trim. This one, and remaining portion of this one, trim. One thing more, I have not given the dimension of this one. This to this. No, this to this. This is 60 mm dimension. Sketch is fully defined. Now you see all the sketch entities are in the black color. You have to start from the origin point in order to make. After some practice, you will in position to make the sketch fully defined. Always start from the origin point. Okay, now you will see all the sketch are black color and the fully defined in the status bar. You will find this one. Okay, any dimension you will miss, that you will not be in position to make the sketch fully defined. Okay, so and also don't give the unnecessary dimension. In that case, your sketch will be over defined. I have fully explained this in the previous my videos. Okay, you please watch my all videos on the sketch tool series, then you will be in confidence to start any sketch with the defined. Okay, I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. You please like, share, and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much. Okay.